Hi, this is Adam for BatchBlue software. Today I want to talk about Batchbook lists. Lists are an incredibly powerful part of Batchbook, and I want to show you how to get the most out of them. There are several types of lists you can build in Batchbook. Here on the List and Reports tab, these icons show you what type a list is. This is a list of all contacts. This is a list built from search criteria. This is a list built from an import. And this is a list built from a web form. Here you can build a new list of contacts or a new web form. We have a separate screencast that shows you how to build a public web form for your website, so today let's build a new contact list. I want to create a list of my current clients, so I'll name my list Active Clients and give it the description Clients Active in 2010. And I want to build the list from search criteria. Now look at all the different criteria you can search on. You can choose only certain types of records, meaning you can build a contact list, communication list, or a deals list. You can also search the basics like name, tags, and contact info. Then there are these super useful searches like record creation date or last updated date, as well as when a contact was last communicated with or if it was never communicated with. Next, if you choose the deals record type, you can then search the deals by status, amount, or who they're assigned to. Then, of course, there's super tag data. You can search your contacts and deals for any type of data you're storing in your super tags. The possibilities are endless. But for now, I want to create my current client list. So I'm going to search by the tag FreshBooks, since I do all my client billing in FreshBooks and I sync that with my Batchbook account. If your contacts aren't already tagged, you can easily do that from the contacts page or the search results page, or of course on that contacts record. I'm going to add a line to limit the list to only clients I've updated since the first of the year. Now the results are showing both the company and the individual, so let's change the record type to show just the companies. And that gives me these 4 results. If I want to remove one of these from the list, I'll do it right here. Next is the list data section. This section is useful for picking what fields you want to show on a report or in a CSV export. Just click here to edit. In this basic info section, I just want to show the company and the tags. Note that here you can choose communications. This will export all communications you had with a person or company. Great for backing up. Under contact info, I want to select the email and website from the main location since that's the one used for companies. I'm not choosing any deals or communications, but if I was, I could include that info here. Lastly, I can include any super tag info here. My FreshBooks tag is a super tag, so I'll include a couple fields like my hourly rate and who that client is assigned to. Now I can do a few things with this list. I can print mailing labels, export a CSV, which will have just the columns that I've chosen in the list data section, export vCards, or view a CSV-like report right within Batchbook. So let's do that. Here you can see for each company I have tags, email, and website, as well as the hourly rate and the email addresses of the Batchbook user that the client is assigned to. Each column is sortable, which is very useful when your list gets long or you're dealing with numbers and currency. So that's a contact list. Let's take a look at a deals list. I'm going to head back to the list page and create another new list. I'll call this one My Pending Deals. I'll build this one from search criteria as well. My record type is deal, my deal status is pending, and my assigned to is me. In the list data section, I'm going to select the name as well as all the deal information. Now let me show you one of my personal favorite features. Say you have a list you refer to all the time. This is a list of pending deals assigned to me, so that's a good example. You can put that list right on your dashboard. Just turn on the Lists View widget and select the list. You can see a list of all records included in that list and get one-click access to the report. It's a huge help, and it's also really easy to swap lists within the widget. Last, let's quickly make a communications list. Let's say I'm planning a birthday party for my son. I've saved a few important communications in Batchbook and tagged them as birthday. Let's make a list called Party Communications and build it from search criteria. The record type is communication and the tag is birthday. Now I'll pick which fields I want to include in my export. I want all of them. Now I can export them as a CSV from my records. Batchbook lists are so powerful that it's hard to cover everything here. Not only can you manage all types of data in Batchbook, but you can also search it and group it using these auto-updating lists. Thank you and happy organizing.